Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune your Chrysler 300 for optimal performance. First, focus on the engine control unit, or ECU. A professional remap can unlock substantial gains in both horsepower and torque, making your ride feel much more responsive. Next, improving your car's breathing with an upgraded intake and exhaust system is crucial. This allows the engine to operate more efficiently. Finally, don't overlook suspension modifications for enhanced handling and a sportier look. For tangible performance gains, start with a cold air intake. This modification ensures your engine receives a consistent supply of cooler, denser air, which directly translates to more power. Following that, a performance exhaust system not only gives your Chrysler 300 a more aggressive sound, but also reduces back pressure, allowing the engine to exhale more freely. Lastly, a larger throttle body can further enhance airflow, maximizing the benefits of your other intake upgrades. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. While we're making your Chrysler 300 perform great, let's also make sure it smells great. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your interior smelling fresh and clean. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. You can find links to the air freshener and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When pushing for significant power, advanced steps are necessary. You'll need to upgrade your fuel injectors and pump to ensure adequate fuel delivery for higher horsepower levels, preventing engine lean conditions. For truly dramatic power gains, consider installing a supercharger or turbocharger. These forced induction systems can transform your car. Remember, with increased power comes the need to reinforce your transmission and driveline components to reliably handle the extra stress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.